Right, just got the new EONON Radio. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. All right, so overall the box, pretty high quality. So this product's from China, so I mean, a lot of times you're just getting crap boxes, but this one's pretty high quality, so that's a great start. Let's go on a road trip. Okay, clever. Hopefully with this new radio we will be. And getting into it, what do we got here? We've got some sort of a letter. Okay, we've got a letter from the EONON Corporation. Oh, that's nice of them. All right, I'll take a look at that later. Got a letter and some sort of a card. We've got the manual. I'm sure that'll come in handy after we get it set up. And we've got a big shiny bag. What do we got in here? We've got what looks to be, okay, a bunch of wires, so those will be for the setup. And we're going to be setting it up. There'll be another video of that. We'll be setting it up in a Chevy Silverado. And hopefully, I'm hoping I don't have to splice wires. These look like they should just plug and play. So that'll be a really, really, really nice feature. And if we dig a little deeper in here, we've got what I'm guessing will be the actual radio and head unit itself. So they've got the two foamy pads and then the protector pad here. And the grand reveal, bum, 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 ba-da-da, the back end of the radio. Okay, so the screen looks pretty good. Not massive, but it's designed to fit specifically in my truck, so hopefully that all works out. Back end, we've got a fuse box, looks to be a power cable, and a whole bunch of other adapters, and then this guy on the end looks like the radio antenna. Quality of the metal looks not bad. Got a serial number there. And there's the front of it. So we'll take a peek here in this other bag, and then we'll measure out that radio, see exactly what size it is. All right, so it looks like diagonally we've got 9 inches from corner to corner. You know, it's not a 65-inch TV, but for where it's going in my truck, I think that's going to be real sexy. And we've got 8 inches across, and about 5 inches down. And the overall thickness of it is about 5.5 inches. And the height, and I suppose we'll take a look in this other box. Okay, cool. So we've got more wires here, and I know their system, one is for Bose surround sound and the other is just for your basic. So they've given you that, and it looks like a little pry tool to get the panels off, which that'll be nice. All right, so let's keep these wires together and not mix them up, so when we go to install, we can figure it out fairly easy, hopefully. And yeah, there we go. So that was the unboxing. Everything looks to be pretty good condition, and we'll make another one of the install and see how it goes from there.